Today we are making a festive Mexican Easter lamb soup. It serves 6 people and takes about 2 hours and 20 minutes. Let us get cooking. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 1.5 kilograms of lamb shanks, bone-in, cut into large pieces. 3 liters of water. 1 large white onion, halved. 6 cloves of garlic, smashed. 2 bay leaves. 1 tablespoon of salt. 6 dried guajillo chiles, stemmed and seeded. 2 dried ancho chiles, stemmed and seeded. 2 Roma tomatoes. 1 teaspoon of Mexican oregano. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. 2 medium carrots, sliced. 2 medium potatoes, peeled and cut into chunks. 300 grams of cooked chickpeas, drained and rinsed. 15 grams of fresh mint leaves, plus a little extra for garnish. 2 limes, cut into wedges. Additional salt to taste. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Rinse the lamb, then add it to a large stainless steel stockpot with 3 liters of water, 1 large onion cut in half, 6 smashed garlic cloves, 2 bay leaves, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Bring the pot to a boil over high heat and skim off the gray foam for the first 10 minutes so the broth stays clear. Lower the heat to a gentle simmer, cover the pot partially, and cook for 60 minutes. While the pot simmers, remove the stems and seeds from 6 guajillo chiles and 2 ancho chiles. Ladle 500 milliliters of hot broth into a heat-proof bowl and soak the prepared chiles for 15 minutes, until they soften. Blend the softened chiles with the 2 Roma tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of Mexican oregano, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 250 milliliters of the soaking liquid until very smooth. After 60 minutes of simmering, strain the chili sauce into the pot through a fine mesh sieve and stir well to combine. Let the soup simmer for 15 minutes so the flavors meld. Add the 2 sliced carrots and the 2 potatoes cut into chunks, and cook for 20 minutes, until tender. Stir in 300 grams of cooked chickpeas and simmer for 10 minutes. Add 15 grams of fresh mint leaves and simmer for 5 minutes. Turn off the heat and let the soup rest for 10 minutes. Taste the broth and adjust the seasoning with additional salt to taste. Ladle the Caldo De Borrego de Pascua into warm bowls, ensuring each serving includes rich broth, vegetables, and a tender piece of lamb. Garnish with extra mint and serve with the 2 limes cut into wedges to squeeze at the table. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you love this Easter Caldo de Borrego, tap like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a recipe.